Welcome to another video from Bayleaf. I'm Raghav. Indoor plants for purifying air. The last 2 decades have seen the discovery of novel retroviruses that have resulted in severe negative consequences on human health. Thus, indoor environmental quality is a growing concern as populations become more urbanized and people spend a greater proportion of their lives indoors. Indoor plants are seen as an alternative solution to deal with this problem, and their ability is gaining attention. Hence, in this video, we speak about a few indoor plants which help in maintaining the quality of indoor habitable environment. English ivy, Hedera helix. Also known as common ivy or Hedera helix, the potential benefits of English ivy include air purification, improved respiratory breathing issues, and anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Many people like the plant because it stays green all year and makes an attractive ground cover for decorative gardens. When kept indoors as a houseplant, English ivy may also help with air purification. In fact, English ivy is one of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA's) top 10 air purifying plants. Water them often enough to keep the soil moist until the plants are established and growing. These vines grow best when they have plenty of moisture, but they tolerate dry conditions once established. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of those plants known for both looking good and improving air quality. The snake plant, commonly referred to as mother-in-law's tongue, is a resilient succulent that can grow anywhere between 6 inches to several feet. It's one of the few plants that can convert carbon dioxide (CO2) into oxygen at night. This quality makes it an ideal plant for bedroom decor, as it can help regulate healthy airflow. Though in small contributions, snake plants can absorb cancer-causing pollutants, including CO2, benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. With the ability to absorb and remove harmful toxins, snake plants can act as an effective defense against airborne allergies. Golden Pothos. Pothos plants are arguably one of the easiest plants to grow, and they actually thrive on low light and neglect, and is a common household plant. Money plants are also commonly known as golden pothos, devil's ivy, devil's vine, etc. Pothos earned high marks in a NASA clean air study for clearing the air of benzene, formaldehyde, toluene, carbon monoxide, and xylene. You'll be glad to know that money plant is a succulent and acts as an anti-radiator inside your homes and office spaces emitted by computers, laptops, and mobile phones. Syngonium Arrowhead. Syngonium plants are not just decorative. They have the ability to cleanse the air you breathe and act as anti-pollutants. These plants can reduce components of indoor air pollution, even volatile organic compounds. They also reduce airborne microbes and increase humidity. Like other indoor vine and climbers, Syngonium can be easily grown in water. Just fill the vase with fresh water twice a week and it will keep thriving. The arrow-shaped green foliage and soft stems look gorgeous in decorative vases and transparent jars. Aglaonema, or Chinese evergreen plant, is one of the best indoor air purifying plants recommended by NASA. These are evergreen perennial plants having wide leaves. They are native to tropical and subtropical regions of Asia. They look very beautiful indoor. They are natural humidifiers. Spider plant. It has long, thin and arched leaves that are solid green in color or variegated with white. The spider plant is named so because of its spider-like leaves which droop down from the mother plant like spiders on a web. There are some house plants that can pretty much grow themselves. The spider plant is one of them. It can thrive well and easily adapt to various climatic conditions, even when neglected for days, overwatered or underwatered. The spider plant grows well in both low light and part sunlight, but it is suggested to keep this plant in a spot with bright, indirect light. According to NASA reports, the spider plant is among the top 3 types of houseplants that are great at removing formaldehyde, which is a common household chemical and generally found in manufactured wood products, plastic products, pesticides, leather goods, adhesives, clothing and drapes, etc. Well, in today's video, we have just handpicked plants from the very many choices available for the plant lover. Hope this video motivates you to get some of these indoor plants yourselves and continue exploring many more of them as potential future options. Serving both the purification aspect and aesthetics, these plants deserve a permanent place in your homes and hearts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.